Hi everyone. Okay, so today's tip is about sanding. I've got here just a little triangle that has been made just by piercing across here, and you can see that the line across the top is a little uneven. We can use a file to file that off and get it nice and straight, but a really good hack is using a piece of sandpaper. Now I'm going to use quite a coarse grit paper, but you put that onto something flat, so I'm going to put it onto my metal block, and then what I'm going to do is literally move it in a circular motion. You keep going until eventually you have a really nice flat surface. So when you've finished, you will have a really nice flat surface, perfectly flat surface. You can then use obviously a lesser grade sandpaper to just smooth that off so it hasn't got any marks on it. But I'm going to show you close up just so that you can see that we've made a nice perfect straight line. Now that works as well if you're, say, changing the profile of a ring. So for example, this ring is intentionally wibbly, but if I didn't want it to be, I could do exactly the same thing with this. So just holding it down here, moving it around, it would eventually just get completely flat because it would take the shape of the metal block. Really hope that helps, guys. Have a great day.